Welcome back, everybody. I'm your host, Funky D Worldwide. The news today, when I get for my viewers all over the world, now the news when concern the same man yesterday when they call Shaki Ahmed Gumi. This man, now them they breed all these bandits, them Boko Haram and herdsmen terrorists in the north. The same man travel from his local government, go meet the bandit inside the forest. The same man, now him they call the FG, make FG carry money for, take settle the herdsmen people, the bandit people, and the people terrorizing Nigeria seriously, what they call Boko Haram. The man say the money, for security budget, make the government carry and go give the bandits to settle the whole matter. Now him from Kidi Con they wonder say, man, how paying money to bandits go take solve problem? The only thing we will know see now they solve all this kind of bandit problem and the kidnapping problem. Now the police force, when they go search for the criminals and arrest them, then bring them to justice, so that they go answer their names, not be by giving bandit or criminal or kidnapper or a terrorist money when they meant for security. Meaning say the security not matter. So when you settle these people, then when government settle these people, then everything will solve. If forget say, although in know, because these people now they are chairmen when they there. Now these people they train and they sponsor and they bring in all these terrorists to Nigeria. This Shaki Ahmed Gumi. Now them they bring in terrorists from different parts of Africa to that country. They train them, they feed them. So when government pay them finish, they go do like say, those people they don't relax. Then another team will come out again. The same people, they go still collect money from government. Then another team will come out, they go still collect money from government. So how long government will continue to pay the people terrorizing the nation? So I wonder where all these kind of people they come from. And they go say them be clerics. For one man to enter inside bush, he know where them dey. They not harm the man. You go no say na their boss be that. Police not go arrest the man. This Shaki Ahmed Gumi, making go show them where all this bandit dey. They must see they waka up and down. And still they come out on social media, they talk nonsense. They are all bandits. These people, the Fulani people, they are all bandits. They are all criminals, including the people when they govern them. They out of fire, all of them. Check them out. Look at Shehu Sani. Garba Shehu. Even the Shehu Sani. All these people, they are all criminals. So nothing when Onago can tell us about IPOB or about somebody when would they believe on again, or about Nnamdi Kanu. You cannot convince a fly this time around. So we they make it clear to this Shaki Ahmed Gumi say he no go fit convince anybody, and any opinions when they bring come and in his own personal opinion. So before we go into the main segments when I get for now, regarding this criminal, what they call Shaki Ahmed Gumi and his criminal empires, ladies and gentlemen, I say make una subscribe to our channel so that una go they get Obenga videos. Here we know the Concord videos, we know the paint, we know the minus, we know the plus. As it take come, I will they drop them raw to everybody. So make una continue to subscribe and continue to share our videos. Now to the man, the criminal man. There are many Igbos in the north who don't want to go back home. Forget those agitating for Biafra. So don't let anybody to deceive you. Don't let people like this to deceive you. They are all terrorists. All of them are terrorists. They want one Nigeria to continue to kill you, to continue to steal your oil, to continue to do their ethnic cleansing. So people like this, anything when they utter from their mouth, not they shake anybody. Don't let this kind of people to convince you, because they are deceivers. The man continued. We all know that some individuals are agitating for Biafra and Oduduwa Republic, which is not going to be possible in any way. Making an Islamic cleric with the name Sheikh Ahmed Gumi to make a statement. According to Sahara reporters, it was made known that he said those agitating for Biafra Oduduwa Republic are not different from Boko Haram terrorists. He went on by saying the majority of Nigerians want to stay with Nigeria, and if they are in doubt, let's have a referendum. And he is not far from the truth. Most people just want peace and to live in coexistence, nothing more. Now the person now, when be the writer, now him come they support the guy, they talk, see the man, they speak the truth. All these people, they are propagandists. The same Fulani criminal. Another one again, now him they support them. Because now them they write all these things by themselves to confuse the public. But then forget, say, they no fit confuse the public again, because their opinions no matter to anybody. Okay? He also made mention of having many Igbos in the north who don't want to go back, that people should forget about those asking or agitating for Biafra. That will not come to pass. And I totally agreed with his statement. Now the same person, when they support him, that is the writer, now him they talk say in totally agree with the statement. The same person they talk say, oh, say the man, they talk the truth. So if you know now say make them do referendum, why APC people refuse to do referendum within Nnamdi Kanu? If you know say Nigeria will win, because it don't they go how many years now when Nnamdi Kanu they call for referendum, when federal government say nah. So this guy now won't come out, come confuse people. Say if they do referendum, okay, make them come out, make we do the referendum, make we see how Nigeria go take win the fight. Alright? Make them come out now, making call Buhari now today. Tell Buhari say, oh yeah, organize you, oh yeah, IPOB, everybody, make una radio, Yoruba, Hausa, Igbo, make una come out to make we do the referendum. Make we see how Nigeria will take win. What do you think say? Now him make the FG the fear, because they know say anytime when they do referendum, Biafra is gone. So not let people like this to deceive you. The man continue, and if you take a look at Igbos in Kaduna, Kano, or even Katsina, including Sokoto, you will agree with me that the majority of Igbos don't want anything to do with Biafra, just like the Islamic clerics rightly said. So now the same of his supporter, now his Sidenya. So these two people, they are out for destruction. But we no go allow this kind of people to succeed, because all these nyannis, whether they nyan, now their own personal opinion. their own personal opinion. They are not representing anybody. The people when they represent now Boko Haram, herdsmen, and bandits. Now these people they represent. Not be say they represent genuine northern people. You know, now their own personal opinion. So don't let this kind of news panic you. If the guy they claim say okay, if they do referendum, nobody go join Biafra or Biafra no go, then go still vote for Nigeria. So waiting make Ona dead Buhari, they fear. Waiting make APC people, they fear. Waiting you think say I make Miati Allah people, then they fear. Waiting make you feel say then they intimidate the southeastern people and the southwestern people. And because they don't want the Biafran people to go. They don't want, they don't want their oil well to leave them. That is why you see today, they refuse to organize referendum. They refuse to allow Biafra to go because they know any time when Biafra go, they are doomed forever. The Fulanis, the Northerners are doomed forever. Anytime when Biafra go. And we must go, ladies and gentlemen. So, Biafra will be restored. The Northerners, they must to go their way. This kind of people that they propagate for terrorists. Now them, they train them. You hear what me talk yesterday? The man talk, say, make federal government give them security budget money. Make them give the bandits when they inside forest. They kill millions of people yearly. So government giving them the money go make them not to do banditry again, or not to kidnap, or not to rustle cattle, or not to do their ethnic cleansing again. So Shaki Ahmed Gumi, how many times the Northerners, the governors, all of them, including Ona so-called dead Buhari, when they take the lie to everybody, how many times Ona don't carry money, go give Boko Haram people? How many times Ona don't carry money, give herdsmen people? Why the killings not stop? If you feel say now the money go settle the whole scores. If you feel say the money go make okay, the bandit they not go do anything again, then go just stay, then go relax. How many times they don't? Because them when they into government, APC people, now them they come out, they come tell us, say, then carry billions of dollars, go give these people inside forest. Now then they come out, they confess by themselves. Now then see they go newspaper, go they tell people, say make them write their story, how they take go inside forest, go give money to people. So how long they will continue to give these people money? For how long? So giving these people money, now they say you they encourage the killings. Giving these people money, now the same money they go take, they go they recruit people. Giving these people money no go solve any damn problem in that country. It will further escalate the whole killings. Even they go sponsor people the most, they make them come. Oh yeah, man, come join us. So paying terrorists not make any sense. The only thing when go make sense, they say army will go do their duty. Then go fight the terrorists, then go defeat the terrorists, the ones where they catch alive, then bring them to justice. That's all. Now so we know before, we don't know say PC and PDP don't turn to terrorists in Nigeria. So this man, they here, they run a map, say, oh, how come IPOB take look alike with Boko Haram? If you can tell us how many people IPOB don't kidnap or how many people IPOB don't kill, if you go come out in public and tell us, that time maybe people go believe you. But for now, no evidence will show say IPOB they involved in any crime. Now only APC government and some saboteurs when they southeastern part of the country mistakenly label them. They are not terrorist organization. The world don't label Boko Haram. number 4 in the whole world. Label ISIS, label ISWAP, label herdsmen people. But Nigerian government refused to label them a terrorist organization. So you cannot come out here to deceive anybody, because gone are those days. You feel me? Gone are those days, ladies and gentlemen. Because we all they see, we all they hear, we can read. We know people who did the right side and the people when they the wrong side. The man when they say yes, ain't agree with the Sheikh man. This man is a terrorist. And they tell you now, say now the man they recruit them. If the government, for example, now say okay, may them give the money, may them carry the money go give this terrorist people when they inside bush. When the man go visit, no repercussion. If they will still walk up and down. Now this same man that will carry the money go give. This one go first come out in own, then he go meet those people inside forest, then he go still share. Collect share. Then maybe they'll tell you, oh, these people, they don't stop. Oh, before you know, the man go recruit all the family come. Because now lucrative business to them in Nigeria. Now lucrative business, very, very lucrative business to them in Nigeria. I mean, the northern part of the country. These Fulani herdsmen killers, these terrorists where they terrorize everywhere. So I don't know who they give this man platform when in they take the come the Nyam or Pata. IPOB can never be a terrorist organization. And again, another challenge. If Sheikh Ahmed Gumi Fi say if they do referendum, say people go vote, I mean Nigeria, say they go remain in one Nigeria. Call your dead Buhari or who be your president there, make them organize the referendum, make we see. So una no say una go win. Why una no dey allow Nnamdi Kanu and una together organize the referendum? As una want take organize them? And because say una dey fear say as soon as una roll out that referendum, Nigeria is gone. And that is the simple facts. Now only a blind person, people like this Sheikh Ahmed Gumi will tell you say, oh, Nigeria will win. There is nothing like Nigeria. Nigeria have fallen. These people, when be the northern people, they don't destroy Nigeria. No more one Nigeria. So, ladies and gentlemen, now the matter when the man tell us today be that to say IPOB is equivalent to Boko Haram and Oduduwa is equivalent to Boko Haram, and how come? I don't understand. So now here we go stop the news. If you get anything where you won't come tell us regarding this terrorist man, when they terrorize not now, because now the man and they invoke Abakari them don't die, all of them don't die. Now the man and Gabashew them now they invoke in Aso Rock when they rule you. Anybody where they tell you see presidency day or president day or anything day in Nigeria, forget. We are coming to that chapter later about people when they Aso Rock. We know una. We know una. One love everybody. Make una the subscribe and make una make sure see una the share our videos.